Welcome to Math with Miss Stacy. In this video, we will discuss how to graph inequalities. Remember that inequalities are symbols that are not the equal sign. They include greater than, less than, not equal to, greater than or less than, greater than or equal to, or less than or equal to. So first of all, we identify whether or not the given point is included in the solution set. And also, we need to graph the correct direction. So when you have an inequality, you have an infinite number of answers that satisfy the inequality. When you have an equal sign, you have one value that answers that equality. But here we have an infinite number of answers that answer each of these inequalities. And so we have to graph them and show this solution set on a number line. So let's look. We first have n is less than 5. So it can't be the number 5. So we're going to put a circle right here at our important value, which is 5. N is all the values that are less than 5. So we're going to draw an arrow going to the left. All of the numbers less than 5. So to the left of 5 on the number line. Next, we have n is greater than 5. So again, not the number 5. So do an open circle at the point 5. And then n is greater than 5. So all of the points to the right satisfy that inequality. The number 6 does, the number 7, the numbers all the way up to infinity. Okay, then we have n is less than or equal to 5. That little bar underneath the less than sign is the or equal to. So the 0.5 is included. So you do a solid dot on the 0.5. And then all of the points less than 5 are included in the solution set. So draw your arrow to the left. N is greater than or equal to 5. So it can be equal to 5. So we're going to do a solid dot at 5 because 5 satisfies this inequality. And so do all the points to the right, greater than 5. N is not equal to 5. Well, n could be any other number. So we can't have the 0.5. So that's an open circle right at 5. But we can have all the numbers that are larger than 5 and all of the numbers that are less than 5. Every single point on the number line except the 0.5. So open circle if the point is not included in the solution set, filled in circle if the point is included in the solution set, and then decide which side of the number line satisfies your inequality. If you're not sure, you can select a number. Like we could choose the number 0 and see if it satisfies n is less than 5. Well, the number 0 does satisfy. 0 is less than 5. So we have to put the arrow in the direction of 0, which is less than 5. So you can choose a point, see if it satisfies your inequality. If it does, then you're going to graph the arrow in that direction. And if it doesn't, make sure your arrow's pointing in the other direction. So identify whether or not the given point is included in the solution set and then graph the correct direction. Okay, it's time for our affirmations. Say them with me. I can learn math. I can learn anything. Have a great day.